Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're doing some pigtails and some crowder peas stew. It's gonna be fantastic. Stick around. Best of Southeast Missouri. Alright, I got ahead of myself a little bit here, as usual. I know. Somebody's gonna say something about it in the comments, I'm sure. What I have here is some chopped up parsley and some onions, green onions, and a shallot, small one, some bay leaf, some Tony Sazaran Creole seasoning, along with about 3 bay leaves. And what I'm gonna add to that is some browning. And seasoning here, just a little bit for color and for a little bit extra seasoning. And I'm gonna add some olive oil, and I'm gonna let this marinate overnight. So when I come back, we'll add our peas. Well, we'll cook this down first. We're gonna take it in a pan and just let it brown off, sear off, however you want to call it. Let all this marinate together and start loving each other. And then we'll add some water to it, stew it down for about an hour or so, and then add some okra and our peas to it. Boom, delicious meal. One pot. It's gonna be delicious. Stick around. All right, we're gonna start these off in a cold pan. Been marinating overnight. Looks delicious. Add a little bit of oil, just a little bit to the bottom of the pan. Stop being sicking. Sorry, nose a little runny this morning. We're gonna let these come up to a slow simmer. Tell you right now, this marinade smells awesome. Fix my runny nose here in a second. All right, we started up. Everything's become fragrant. I'm gonna add some water to it. I'm gonna run about 8 cups of water. And that's 8. Now we're just gonna let this simmer. About an hour and a half. It's just about tender, and then we'll add our crowder and other ingredients. All right, time to add some seasoning. Of course, you know we're gonna go with the accent. I add a little meat tenderizer in there a little bit, just a little bit. A little bit of Lars. Just a little bit. And last but not least, the filet. Just to give it that little bite, that little that you need. And a pinch of salt. Now, got some collard greens that I'm gonna sprinkle off in here. Just a little bit, background flavoring. Help soak up some of them seasonings. Give a little bit of flavoring. We'll be back in a minute. All right. And go to Crowder's. A little frozen. It's gonna take the heat down a little bit. That's all right. Go. I got some more frozen stuff to go in here, so we ain't gonna worry about that too much. Flavor is good though. Got my okra. I think we need a little bit more. Not a whole lot. We don't want to get crazy with the okra. There we go. Looks good. Sorry about the rumbling of the bag. Oh, that mic can pick up a lot of sounds there. Alright. Alright. Cover these. Let them go for a couple of minutes. And we'll be ready to go. Right. I say she's done. Looks delicious, smells delicious. And there's one of these, those peas. Piece of that okra. Yeah, let's get another one of those. Just one sample. Actually just got through eating. But we're gonna eat again. Yes, we can. That down there is this. If you ever had crowder peas, or if you never had them, go to your grocer, look in the freezer, find you some. Delicious. Go with just about anything. This. Wouldn't do them any kind of way. Those cells are tender. Hey, if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend about me. Subscribe if you haven't. And hey, come back and see me again. And we'll see you on the next one.